What's going on, traders? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. My name is Darius, and today I would like to share with you my view about the Euro USD. Now, if you've been following my analysis, which I shared with you about the Euro USD, then you should be probably right now pretty good in profit, as Euro USD is still dropping, still making those big movements to the downside. Unfortunately, not everybody could have entered that market because of the market didn't provide us a correction to the upside so that we could add some positions for the EURUSD shorts. So a little bit tricky to trade, yes, but all of you who've entered it previously and everybody who is swing trading it a little bit to the downside, you should be right now in pretty nice profit. And today I would like to share with you potential targets for my short, and also showing you right now what kind of opportunities we have right now. Should the market go up? Should we just continue to go down lower? Let's see. I'm going to make a full breakdown explaining to you everything. But before I'm going to start off, guys, just a quick check over here. Make sure to be a subscriber on YouTube to not miss any new updates, any new videos. I'm going to publish tomorrow a very important video about the Forex trading market. I know that everybody has different expectations when they come into trading. Everybody expects that they're going to be very soon multimillionaire, stuff like this. And I'm going to explain it to you how trading really works, things that nobody is telling you about it, how this industry really works, who is at the end making money and who not. I'm going to show you everything, and yeah, stay tuned to not miss that important video. But right now, guys, just a quick check over here. Now you can click on my banner. So there's my new banner right now. I will upload it today or tomorrow, a new one. So I'm currently designing a new one. But here you have always the chance to join the inner circle group, guys, to join with me trading. Here you got the link for the public Telegram channel, the Instagram, the link tree where all links are available. And here is my trustful broker if you're looking for one. And yeah, guys, those are the results of the inner circle. That was the result that I posted last week. As you can see, we made a plus 4.5R, which is a total of 13%, which is crazy. But as you can see, only 2 trades were responsible for that big result, because I lost 3 trades by doing that week. And as you can see, win rate is nothing in Forex. All really depends on the percentage growth that you can generate with your trades. And yeah, this is what I also still do in inner circles. So you will see sometimes losing trades, but that's not a problem, because at the end we're going to be in crazy profit with just a few trades. And yeah, that was a trade that I took this week. It was the GBPUSD. I posted it on Instagram. So a 3.76R trade. Yeah, 11% on your account. That's crazy. Super nice. This is how my inner circle looks like. You get the signal most of the times also with the analysis. It really depends on the time frame that I trade. For example, that one was on the minute 1 and the 30-second time frame, and this is why, yeah, I'm just sending the signal immediately, and then I'm looking to post also afterwards the chart analysis. But this trade completed it in 20 minutes, something like this, and take profit level was hit, and I was done with it. Okay, guys, this is Linktree, and right now I would say let's get it right into the analysis. Now, starting here on the EURUSD from the monthly time frame, we can see that this market is overall in a bullish environment, right? You can spot this impulse, correction, impulse, and right now we're still in the correction. Yesterday, we had the monthly candle close, so today is the first day that we're trading with the new monthly candle. And that means right now it's very important for us to see what this monthly candle has done. And as you can see, this is just a big bearish candle, which, yeah, was not a surprise for us. Everybody know that that was the case. Right now, this market has stepped into this monthly area of supply, and this is, from my point of view right now, the potential returning point for the Euro USD. Right now, what I see over here are 2 potential scenarios. Scenario number 1 is that we're going to go up right now from here to test this resistance before afterwards continue to drop down lower or to go down till this level, something like this, before rejecting it then all the way to the upside. Okay, so those two options I can spot right now from the monthly. Let me just redo it. I'm just going to use right now here this resistance level, this resistance support. That's currently the levels that I'm looking for. Of course, be aware of potential fake outs as I'm mapping those levels as big areas. And in this case, I do expect right now that the market will sooner or later give us a movement to the upside. Let me just do this from the weekly time frame just to show you a little bit more clearly. So I expect that from this area, the market will give us soon a movement to the upside to test this previous resistance level. And if we're going to have good price action confirmation, if this movement over here to the upside is going to be a strong impulse to the upside, then I expect that the market will give us only afterwards a correction, and we're going to continue with the overall bullish trend on the EURUSD. Otherwise, we have still the possibility that the EURUSD from here will go afterwards lower to test some structure on these levels that we have over here located, something like this. Now, as you all know, I'm more for the bullish scenario, so I do not even think that we're going to break this support area. So here from the weekly time frame, a little bit more clearly, this is the demand area. Probably right now we're going to push down lower, so I'm not sure right now, and then afterwards giving us a strong movement, and then everything will be decided. Are we going to go only for correction, or are we going from here lower? Okay, those options I can see right now only for the EURUSD, and this is why right now it's super important to see how the market will be developed over here, what kind of price action confirmation we're going to get. But right now here still that M formation, so impulsing, correcting to the downside pretty strong, and right now we're facing also daily level of demand sooner or lately. So let's see. From my point of view right now, definitely the chance to go lower on the EURUSD before afterwards going up higher, or we're going to respect this area right now, going up from here higher to give us a correction based on this impulse that we can spot over here, giving us here, for example, till the 0.618. So let me just check it out, or even between 0.618 and 786. It looks for me kind of obvious that we're going to break again this previous level of support here that we have. That's from my point of view pretty obvious. This is why I expect that the market will give us a movement like this to also break a little bit some structures from a daily perspective. This structure over here, so that everybody will think of, okay, EURUSD is ready to go up higher and stuff like this, but in fact it will then drop down lower. So this is what I see right now. If the market right now will just continue to go down lower, I will have a look here to buy EURUSD exactly from this level, because then we will have also the minus 272 as an extra confluence based on this impulse that this is one of the potential targets, but not sure if this will really occur. Definitely a strong level of liquidity located over here, and if the market will face it, definitely expect a strong movement to the upside, and that will be a super nice trade for the EURUSD. But if this is not going to be the case, so if the market will figure out right now to go up higher, then I expect it to go between the 0.618 and the 0.786, because exactly at this area we got daily level of supply, and I'm not looking at support resistance levels, so I'm looking more than likely on supply levels, and this is why I'm having a look then on this one on the 0.786 and also a little bit above the 0.618. So from my point of view, I think that we're going to massively fake through that level of the 0.618, so I'm going to have a look right now at this FIB retracement for a potential fake out, move back below, retest, and then I'm going to figure out my entry exactly at this point over here after the retesting the 0.618 again as a new level of resistance. And this is where I'm looking definitely within this area to catch my entry based on my price action confirmation. That's going to be the idea for the EURUSD right now. Let's see how it will be developed. Checking out right now the 4 hours, we cannot see anything, no important information, nothing that we can deal with it. Still looks like we're here below support resistance, So we're still below this area, so this is still acting as resistance, so we need to definitely to break a little bit above that area before we can from here having a look for some buying opportunity. So that's going to be also a little bit difficult how you're going to figure this out. Probably this is level of demand. Yeah, this is level of demand on the 1 hour. This is why the market is currently pushing that much to the upside, but we're facing again here 1 hour supply. And if we're going to break this supply, it looks from my point of view pretty good that we are going to have the confirmation that the market will then, go up like this, like I already explained to you. Okay, so here is definitely your task to monitor as price action to see how this market is going to be developed in the next couple of hours, and for you then to figure out if you can have a look for a buying opportunity. However, I already explained to you what kind of things I'm looking for. I'm looking right now for a potential lower movement till this demand, or for a potential up move and then catching a short from here. And also you can rock from here that long. I would not suggest you to rock it from here short. So to enter a short here from my point of view is a little bit risky, as we are currently within a monthly area of demand and the market could at any time take off. And if you are in a sell position, you can hold it if you want, or you can close it right now. But the best thing is of course to put stop loss to entry so that you are going to be risk free on that trade. But the best thing is always to capitalize on the movements, because right now we do not have the confirmation that the market will really go down lower. Okay, it doesn't look like the market needs to go lower right now, as we can still expect those movements to the upside. Yeah, I think that was right now enough. I think everybody knows exactly how the EURUSD market works right now. So this is still the trend line. So this is also an area of confluence of support where the market could go a little bit higher before giving us afterwards that drop. Yeah, looks good to me. See you then in the next video. Right now, guys, you have the chance to subscribe to my channel. Go on the right or the left side to check out my education playlist and my latest YouTube videos. See you there next time, and I wish you all a good day. Bye bye, guys.